How to fix Snapchat voice call problem. If you're facing a voice call problem on Snapchat, all you have to do is, first of all, you want to start by checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, normally to have a voice call, it needs to have proper permissions. In order to see that, open up Settings. From Settings on an Android phone, you can go to the list of apps, and from the app list you can search for the Snapchat app. On iPhone you can go to Privacy and Security. Now when we're here, we'll go to the option called Storage Usage, and if there are cache files generated, clear the cache files. You can also try clearing the data, but that will reset the app data. Now come back, and the next important option is go to Permissions. From Permissions, you have to make sure that you've allowed the camera access for placing proper video calls and the microphone access for placing proper audio calls. Because if your Snapchat app lacks these permissions, it won't be able to place a voice call or a video call. So I hope this video helped you as to how you can fix a Snapchat's voice call problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.